Hello, welcome to my Sunday Front. Today I have a haul and I'm really excited for this haul. I ordered this stuff last over the weekend, I guess. And I want to see what's in these boxes. So everything kind of came at once. So I was really excited to go down and get my stuff. And see, I have some groceries and a few other things. So for groceries, I have spaghetti. This is just like one of those 50-cent bags of spaghetti. For me, it's like 2 servings or 2 meals. And then I have a small Italian dressing and some tortilla balls. These look really good. They're kind of small. Let's see if I can get them out. If I can get them out, I can show you. They're kind of small. They're not that big. So, like, they fit, like, probably 3 scoops of food. Which is, actually, that's kind of a lot. But, you know me. Okay. And then I got these lashes. These are cat eyelashes. Let's see them. I haven't worn lashes in a minute, if you guys notice. I haven't done my nails or done my lashes up. So these are them. These are cute. I think before you buy your lashes, like, you might want to check the length of them, because some people are like, these lashes, you know, look crazy, or these lashes are too dainty. So, like, check them and see how dense they are and long, the length, and make sure they fit from eye to eye, you know, like from one side to the other, and you should be good. It's not that hard to pick your eyelashes, just probably more the style that you like. I think I like this style because for me it's like a full eye, you know, like just a fuller lash. And some people just like pointy ones, or the more natural looking ones. So those are a lot sparser and probably a lot longer to get the dramatic effect. Let's see what else is in here. I have a face mask. This is Rice, a brightening face mask. I think I already had bought one of these. I want to try this one. So you have a little spa moment. And this is, it says it's shirts. So let's see if I can get it open. And these shirts were like, maybe, I buy these packs for like less than $8, usually like $6, $7. And it comes, this one came with 3 of these. So they're like scoop necks. They're kind of spandex stretch material. So these are really cute. You can wear them with everything. They're very casual. I'd even go as far as to say they're business casual. So that's the black one. This is the gray one. So they're kind of short in length. So you know, they're not like really like, you know, they're not like athletic wear. So of course the neck is kind of open, but I mean, they're still cute. You still wear them out. And so I think that's it with this box. Oh, there's something in here. I think that's it with this box. So let's see the next one. Okay, whoop, medicine. So groceries, I have this. I've been wanting this one for a long time. It's beet and ginger lemon. So I like this one because it's like healthy, and this is like really healthy. So I wanted this one really bad, and I think I'm gonna give this one a try this week. And then I bought some little things. Let's see, this is I think it's a facial. It says worry mask that transforms from gel to oil upon heat activation, moisturizing and rejuvenating the skin. Let's see if I can get that sticker off. We can see what it is. No? Oh, well, it's just a facial, and it's like got ginger in it, and yeah, it's just a facial treatment. And this is, let's see, I think this is shampoo. It's got coffee extract and wheat protein. I thought this one was a bigger size, that's why I got it, but it's just a 1 ouncer. And yeah, it's shampoo. Let me smell it. I wonder what it smells like. It smells good. It smells fancy. I like it. Let's see. Oh, I got this shampoo. This is Viviscal. It's a strengthening conditioner. It has biotin and keratin. It says it reduces breakage and makes your hair look fuller. So I like that. This is, like I said, conditioner. And this is by a company that is for like hair health. Like it's known for growing your hair. Like if you're having trouble growing your hair or regrowing your hair, this is the company. They make vitamins and stuff. I took the vitamins before, but yeah, I didn't really see a lot of results with the vitamins, so I thought I'd just give the conditioner a try because it was like on sale for $6. I want to see what this smells like. It doesn't smell like anything. That is so weird. And then I got cooking spoons, and I got my squeeze cheese. More recipes, guys. And then let's see what's in here. This weighs nothing. Oh, because it's like a huge bowl. So this is my huge bowl. Somebody asked me to buy a huge bowl. I don't know why. They said, why don't you just buy a huge bowl and stop using that styrofoam gets in your body or something like that. And I said, okay. So I went and bought me a huge bowl that's not styrofoam. My bad. And then I bought these spoons to mix my stuff in my huge bowl, and they're gold, so that I thought that was really cute. Look at that. These are so cute. These are cute, like for a party or something. So these are not real gold, they're gold tone. They're cute, huh? I love them. You got, like, I don't see myself eating cereal in the morning with these though, but they're still cute. Alright. And then, last but not least, what is this? I don't know. Ooh. Okay. So this is this is let me see. This is for your teeth. And it's supposed to help take the plaque off of your teeth. It's a dental cleaner. It's a battery operated one. It says it's rechargeable, so that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get a look at it. So it's just a dental scaler. It comes with an extra head and a mirror. It comes with a manual scaler. And it says rechargeable. They're not lying. So that's pretty cool. Can't wait to give that a try. And let's see what else. Oh, it comes with a pick. Is that a pick? Put back in there. And the instructions fell out too. What's this? Oh, I bought earplugs. These are waterproof. So you can, it says kid size prevents swimmer's ear. Comes in a box. So these are pretty small. Like sometimes I buy them and they're like way big. But these are kid size, so they're pretty cool. Like just, and then there's a little fish. That is cute. It says for kids 6 and under though. So I don't know. It says it's just supposed to cover your ear, not a regular earplug. Then I got some shampoo. This is Finesse. It smells like so good. I love that smell. Camellia oil. That smells super, super good. I'm gonna try this one definitely. I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna try this. That's about it. So, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon on the next one. My Son Different. Bye-bye.